Hi, I am Ronnie. In this video, we will make P10 text box with ESP8266 and MQTT. So we can say MQTT-DMD. The previous video, we said that we will design a PCB for display. Let's design it. Okay, now we finished the design. I want to talk about PCBWay. PCBWay is sponsor of this video for PCB production. Celebrating its 8th anniversary in PCB production these days, PCBWay produces PCBs in the best quality and the colors and size you want, with its wide production standards. And you can join of PCBWay and produce your PCB with special advantages for the 8th year. Guys, look these PCBs. I received the PCBs after the production process. We made a really nice design. Let's solder it and examine it. Yeah, it's amazing. The dimension is very good because we will connect it directly to the display, so it will not even be visible. We will use the buttons on it to program the board. And let's make the power circuit to supply this board and display. Now let's set the voltage using the pot. The supply voltage we need is 5 volts. Okay, it's ready. Now a 5 steps left to finish the all assembly. Assembly is finally finished. For coding, let's download the NodeMCU-DMD library by clicking the GitHub link in description. Let's open the Arduino and follow the steps. Sketch, include library, add zip library, and select the file. And open NodeMCU-DMD MQTT scroll sketching examples. We need set SSID and password for the Wi-Fi connection. I will use the CP21 series USB to serial TTL model for the computer connection. You can use another converter. Okay, now code is ready to upload. Now let's power up display and open the MQTT Tool app. I used the public HiveMQ broker for testing. You can use your own broker. But if you will use the HiveMQ, please change the topic. Now let's plug in our second display. When plug the second display, we use the cable we bought with. We connect the power cables in parallel. When powered the display, it worked like faulty because we didn't add any code for the second display. Just we need to reset the width value to 2. Now it works perfectly. Finally, thanks to PCBWay for PCB production. And thank you for watching my video. You can see all files on my GitHub.